Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning. Greeting to my presented lecturer Miss Muji and to all my friend wishing. My name is Septir Sistiawan and I am from class 17.1 A.37. Today I will be presenting my project I for our English class. This video will contain two part. Freeze my space for part 1 followed by my presentation to for part 2. For part 1 I have chosen the topic showing my option about the new President Prabowo. Thank you. Now let's talk about the topic the new president. Honestly, this is a significant topic for all of us. The election is over and the people have spoken. Now the real work begins, not just for him but for all of us as nation. Fear the instruction mentioned using sympathy expression. My sympathy goes or to everyone who feel uncertain about the future. It's a normal feeling after a long political conflict. It's easy to feel defeated. My heart goes out to anyone who feel anxious of perhaps disappointed. These feelings are valid. Now for my personal option, I want to be an optimist. I believe we must look forward and backward. My option is not about what happened in the past. My option is about the responsibility he has for the future. He is not longer just a candidate, he is the president for all Indonesia, including those who did not vote for him. I am hopeful. I hope focus on the particle things that matter to students like us. We need strong economy. We need job opportunities after we graduate, and we need stability. I hope his leadership will bridges and united the country. So my opinion is one of a powerful expression. We as citizens and students must also do our part. We must be good allies, continue to study hard and support the political policies that are good for the country. Will also being have enough to criticize if things go wrong. I really hope he success in making Indonesia more prosperous and most importantly more united. That is my space for part 1. Okay, and now I will continue to part 2 of my project. For this part, I have chosen the topic simple presence. You understand the simple presence tense by Septir Sistiawan or English 1 project. What is the simple present tense? It is a verb tense used to describe action that are general, habitual, or factual. Use 1. Habits and routines. Things you do every day, every week, often. Example, I wake up at 6 a.m. or they play football on Sundays. They play football on Sundays. Things that are always true or scientifically proven. Example, the sun rises in the east, or water boils at 100 degrees. The project plus formula. Subject plus verb 1. I work, you study, we live, they run. The S rule very important. For he, she, it, at, as, or is to the verb. Example, he works, she, student, it runs. Spelling when to add s. Add s to verb ending in s, she, x, o. Example, he misses, she washes, he watches, it goes. Spelling when the verb end in negative y. If the verb ends in consonant plus y, change y to is. Example, study, studies, cry, cries. A vowel plus y, just add s. Example, play, plays. The negative formula. Subject plus do not, don't plus verb 1. Example, I don't work or they don't study. The negative formula, he, she, it. Subject plus does, not does plus verb 1. Nos on the main verb. Example, he does work, not he does works. Negative example, you don't speak French, he don't speak French. He don't have class today, she don't have a pen. The question formula. Do plus subject plus verb 1. Example, do you work or do he study? The question formula, he, she, it. Does plus subject verb 1. Nos on the main verb. Example, does he work or does she study? Special verb to be. The verb to be is special. It does use does it change to em or is or are. Example, I am, he is, they are. Example, to be. I am a student. I am not a teacher. He is smart. He is not is lazy. We are in class. We are not at home. Example, to be. To ask a question, use invert swap the subject and verb. Example, he is smart. Is he smart? Example, to they are ready. Are they ready? Signal words adverbs of frequency. We often use simple present with the words always, 100%, or usually, or often, or sometimes, rarely, or seldom, and never, 0%. Where to put the adverb? Place it before the main verb. Example, I will always check my email. He never come late. Place it after the be verb am, is, are. Example, I am always in time. She is usually happy. Thank you. This concludes my project 1 presentation for Bahasa English 1. Lecture Miss Muji. Thank you.